Today I will explain about the remaining problems. 94th problem. The addition of NaH2PO4 NaH2PO4 to the 0.1 molarity H3PO4. H3PO4. This NaH2PO4 is added to the H3PO4. Actually, H3PO4 is a acid. But NaH2PO4 is a salt. The salt is formed by the combination of H3PO4 plus NaOH. So this H3PO4 reacts with 1 mole of NaOH. It gives NaH2PO4 plus H2O. Okay, Nana? So it is a salt. What type of salt? 1 mole of NaOH reacts with H3PO4. So in this one, some part of basic nature is present. This Na means it is some basic part is present. This basic part of the salt is added to the pure acid. Then pH value increases. Means somewhat basic nature increases. So basic nature increases means pH value increases. This is 94th problem. Okay, Nana? Next one, 97. A weak base BOH is titrated with strong acid. BOH is weak base, Nana. This is titrated with a strong acid HA. So weak base and strong acid. When 10 ml of HA is added, the pH of the solution is 9. Okay, and 25 ml of acid is added, then pH is equal to 8. Then what is the volume of acid required to reach the equivalent point? Equivalent point means, listen carefully this one. So BOH is weak base, Nana. HA is strong acid, Nana. If these two are mixing to each other, it forms a basic buffer. It forms basic buffer. It is very clear. Okay, and first let volume of BOH is equal to V. Volume of BOH is equal to V. So initially BOH volume is V, Nana. Now first we added 10 ml of strong acid. So 10 ml of strong acid means that 10 ml of strong acid reacts with exactly 10 ml of weak base. It forms a salt. And remaining part is the weak base. Then what is the pH value? Actually pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of base. So it is not pH. POH is equal to pKb. POH is equal to pKb. Okay, Nana? So for this one, pH is equal to 9. pH is equal to 9 means POH is equal to 5. Okay, then 5 equal to pKb plus log. What is the salt? How much salt is formed here? 10 ml of strong acid is added. So exactly 10 ml of salt is formed. And how much base is left? Only total volume is V. So in that only 10 ml is converted to salt. Remaining part is base. So V minus 10. This is equation number 1. Okay, Nana? Now come to the second one. This is the second one. pH is equal to 8 when 25 ml. So 25 ml means pH is equal to 8 means POH equal to 6. So 6 equal to pKb plus log Here concentration of salt is 25 ml is added. So 25 ml salt is formed and remaining is V minus 25. This is equation number 2. Okay, Nana? Right. Now subtract 1 minus 2. 5 minus 6 minus 1. pKb minus pKb 0. So log 10 by V minus 10 minus log 25 by V minus 25. Okay, so minus, this is log A minus log B, log A by B. So log A by B na, B means this value. So that is reverse. V minus 25 by 25. Okay, sir. So minus 1 equal to log 5 2s are 5 5s are 2 by 5. So 2 into V minus 25 by 5 into V minus 10. But we know that here base 10 is present. 10 power minus 1 is equal to 2 into V minus 25 by 5 into V minus 10. So we know that 10 power minus 1 means 1 by 10. This 10 multiplied this one multiplied this one. 10 into 2, 20. 20 into V minus 25 is equal to 5 into V minus 10. Now 20 into V, 20 into minus 25, 25 to the 50, so 500 is equal to 5V minus 50. Okay, this value move to this side, this value move to that side. 20V minus 5V minus 50 plus 500. So 20 minus 5 means 15V, 450. So V is equal to 450 by 15, 30. 15 3s are 45, 30 ml. Okay. $99 Nana. The pH of blood is 7.4. pH of blood is 7.4. If the buffer in blood, actually in the blood, buffer is present. What type of buffer? The buffer contains CO2 and HCO3 minus ions. Okay, these ions are present. These are present. Calculate the ratio of conjugate base. Conjugate base means that is it forms salt. Ratio of salt to acid. Ratio of salt to acid. Actually, it contains actually H2CO3. H2CO3 form a salt with, for example, any base. HCO3 minus. This is the base. Conjugate base means this is combined with Na plus. For example, it forms NaHCO3. Okay, so that's why. This is the acid, this is the salt, means conjugate base. So we have to calculate the ratio of conjugate base and acid, means salt by acid. Okay, and K1 is given. K1 is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. We know its formula, pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. But simply it can write like this: concentration of H plus is equal to Ka into concentration of acid by concentration of salt. Okay, you know the simplified formulas, these are all. But we want concentration of salt by concentration of acid, means these two move to this side, this one moves to this side. So concentration of salt by concentration of acid is equal to Ka by concentration of H plus. So Ka value is 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. By concentration of H plus, pH is equal to 7.4, then concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7.4. So this is 10 to the power of minus 8 into 10 to the power of 0.6. So this is simply 10 to the power of minus 8 into anti-log of 0.6. Antilog of 0.6 value is 4. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Now substitute this H plus concentration value here. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Right? Minus 7 cancel, minus 1. This will move to up 4.5 into 10 power plus 1 by 4 means 45 by 4. 11 jar 44. 1.0 4 2s are 8. 11.2. A similar question, that is 101. Buffer in blood consists of carbonic acid HCCO3 and its salt means from its conjugate base HCO3 minus. These two are present in the buffer in blood. Next one, 113. Two buffer solutions A and B are present. Two buffer solutions A and B, each made with acetic acid and sodium acetate. Simply it is acidic buffer. Acidic buffer. Clear information. For acidic buffer, what is the formula? pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. We know that. And these two buffers pH value difference is only 1 unit. Okay, remember this point. And A has salt to acid ratio is X is to Y. For first one, for A buffer, pH1 taken for first one taken as 1 is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid value is given for first buffer, that is X is to Y means X by Y. For second buffer, for B, pH2 is equal to pKa. Now this is constant value, so these two must be equal values because same buffer. Okay, plus log. Here concentration of salt and by concentration of acid is Y is to X means Y by X. Okay. Now take difference means subtraction. pH1 minus pH2 is equal to, these two are cancelled, so this one minus this one, log X by Y minus log Y by X. But difference between these two buffer solutions pH value difference is 1. So 1 is equal to, this is log X minus Y minus, this is log Y by X. So this negative term is minus is there. If you reverse this one, X by Y means power minus 1 we got. So log, one step, log X by Y minus log X by Y whole power minus 1. This minus 1 go to this place plus. So 1 is equal to log X by Y plus log X by Y. So both are log X by Y plus log X by Y is equal to 2 log. 1 is equal to 2 log X by Y. These two move to this side. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to log X by Y. 1 by 2 means 0.5 Nana. 0.5 is equal to log X by Y. If base 10 is present, move to this side. 10 to the power of 0.5 is equal to X by Y. So X by Y is equal to, how can you get this value? Antilog of 0.5. So antilog of 0.5 value is 3.17. This is the answer for X by Y ratio value. Next, 114. The pH of an acid buffer can be raised by 2 units. Generally for acid acidic buffer, what is the formula? pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. So it is raised 2 units, means increases 2 times when it is possible. Very simple, it is depending upon the concentration of salt and concentration of acid. Concentration of salt and concentration of acid. If concentration of salt is increases 10 times, we got 10 times, 10 into concentration of salt. If it is decreases 10 times means A by 10. So this is reverse. Log 10 into concentration of salt by, reverse means 10 by concentration of A. So 10 into 10, 10 square. 10 into 10, no, 10 square. So you got log 10 square and concentration of salt by concentration of acid. So remember, all of you here, very clear. This one is as it is value. This is log A into B, means log 10 square plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. Log 10 square value 2. So extra 2 times means extra 2 units is increases in. So this value is already present. This log concentration of salt by concentration of acid is also present. But extra 2 value, extra 2 is added. 2 units are added by increasing the concentration of salt by 10 times and decreasing the concentration of acid by 10 times. So answer is 4 or D. Now 117. A definite volume of CH3COOH, the normality value is given. CH3COOH, normality is 1 by 20 normality. This is the concentration of acetic acid. Okay. pKa value is also given. 4.7447. Okay, Nana? Is this weak acid is titrated with strong base, that is NaOH. Okay, very good. It is found that 80 equal sized drops of NaOH added from a burette affects the complete neutralization. Find the pH when the acid solution is neutralized to the extent of 20%. So this is one of the confusing problem. Sir, 80 equal sized drops of NaOH are added. That is not important. How much is neutralization takes place? Only 20% is neutralization takes place. Then how much is remaining left acid here? 80% is left. So how much salt is formed? 20% salt is formed. 20% neutralization means so 20% is salt formed. Okay. Then 80% is acid left. So it forms a basic buffer. Then what is the formula? pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. pKa value already given 4.7447 plus log concentration of salt 20%. So 20 concentration of acid left, that is 80%. 80. So 0, 0, 2 1s, 2 4s, 1 by 4 this one. 4.7447 plus log 1 by 4. Log 1 by 4 means log A by B, means log A minus log B. 4.7447 plus log A minus log B. So log 1 value is 0. So leave it. 4.7447 minus log 4 means log 2 square. Log 2 square means 2 log 2. Okay, sir. So 4.7447 minus 2 into log 2 value 0.3. So 4.7447 minus 0.6. So subtracting 0.6 from here, then we got 74414. This is the answer. 4.1447. So simply 4.14. Now 121. The pH of the resultant solution is, pH calculated for this solution, 20 ml of 0.1 molarity H3PO4 plus 20 ml of 0.1 molarity Na3PO4. We expected this is the acid and this is the salt, but does not give directly the salt for this one, because 3 moles, how much? 3 moles of NaOH is required for the formation of that salt. But here these two are mixed. In this reaction, not formed directly. If these two solutions are mixing together, then what is the pH of the solution? If these two are mixing together, H3PO4 plus this Na3PO4, write like this, 3Na plus PO4 3 minus. This is the main ion here. PO4 3 minus. These two are involved in the reaction. And this H3PO4 gives one H plus to this one. Then you got H2PO4 minus plus HPO4 2 minus. Are you understand? Right. So what is the relation between these two? This is very important. H2PO4 minus HPO4 2 minus. What is the relation between these two means? This one gives this conjugate base. Are you understand? Once I will explain about the cross reactions of H3PO4. H3PO4 gives rise to H plus plus HPO4 minus. This HPO4 minus gives rise to H plus plus. Sorry, here H2. This H2PO4 minus is H plus HPO4 2 minus. This HPO4 2 minus gives rise to H plus plus PO4 3 minus. Okay, Nana? Simply HPO4 2 minus, this is coming from H2PO4 minus. So it is taken as an acid and it gives its conjugate base. Conjugate base means it forms a salt. From this acid. So this is acts as acid. This part is acts as acid. This part is acts as a salt. Okay. H3PO4 gives how much? 20 ml of 0.1. Means milli equivalency is 20 into 0.1. So this is 2. PO4 3 minus means Na3PO4. How much? It is also 20 into 0.1. So 2 milli equivalents. Initially no products. After some time these reactants are involved in the reaction and gives 2. Okay. So it forms one of the acidic buffer. So pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. pKa value 121. pKa value, of course, not mentioned here. But from these two, this one is Ka1, this is Ka2, this is Ka3. So here, which reaction? These two products are present in which reaction? Second reaction. So Ka2. This is pKa2 plus log concentration of salt. This is 2. Concentration of acid 2. Cancel. Log 1. So 0. So pKa2. So pH is equal to pKa2. This is the answer. Next one. 122. H3PO4 and NaOH. H3PO4 and NaOH. If these two are involved in the neutralization reaction, how many buffer solutions can form? So first these two are involved in the reaction. H3PO4 plus NaOH gives rise to NaHPO4 because one hydrogen is replaced by one sodium plus H2O. This is acid, this is salt. This salt is formed by the addition of 1 mole of NaOH. Again this NaHPO4 is nothing but H PO4 minus. This is also, sorry, a small mistake, NaH2, because 2 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens are there. 1 hydrogen is replaced by sodium and remaining 2 hydrogens are present. So H2PO4 minus. This is again reacts with another 1 mole of NaOH. It gives Na2HPO4 plus H2O. Okay, so why are writing Na2 means already one Na plus is present here. Na plus H2PO4 minus. This is again acid, and this one involved in the reaction with 1 mole of NaOH. It forms another salt. Now take this one again, because still it contains hydrogen. Replaced hydrogens are there, so it is still acts as a acidic salt. So 2Na plus HPO4 2 minus. This is again reacts with NaOH, gives rise to Na3PO4 plus H2O. So this is an acid, this is a salt. This mixer, one buffer solution. This mixer, another buffer solution. This mixer, another buffer solution. Total 3 buffer solutions can formed by addition of H3PO4 and NaOH in neutralization reactions. Next one, 124 number. 0.1 molarity formic acid is titrated against the 0.1 molarity NaOH. 0.1 molarity formic acid means HCOOH, and it is titrated with the 0.1 molarity NaOH. Weak acid to strong base. Very clear. What would be the difference in pH between 1/5 stage and 4/5 stages of neutralization of acid? 1/5 stage. First, write the equation between these two. HCOOH plus NaOH gives rise to HCONA plus H2. This is the equation. So initially we will take, this is the A concentration of HCOOH. Means simply milli equivalence of weak acid is A. This is how much is supplied here. Only 1/5 stages means 1/5 part only neutralization takes place. Means A by 5. Or simply A into 1/5. Or you can write this one, both are same. A into 1/5. That is A by 5. Okay, initially these two are zeros. If these two are involved in the reaction, only A by 5 part is forms salt. A by 5 part only forms salt. Okay, then how much is left here? A minus A by 5 part of acid is left. Base is 0. Are you understand the lay? Here, for example, this is 100 parts is present. This is only 20 parts, for example. So, in that 100 parts, these 20 parts of strong base reacts with this acid, form 20 parts of salt. So, remaining 80 parts is present. 80 parts means A minus A by 5. So, 100 minus 20, like that. Okay, for this one, what is the pH value? pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt by concentration of acid. Okay, we don't know pKa, write as it is pKa plus log salt A by 5 by left, acid left, A minus A by 5. Sir, A minus A by 5 value how much, sir? LCM is 5A minus A by 4, that is 4A by 5. 4A by 5. Okay. So this is pKa plus log A by 5 by 4A by 5. Okay. So pKa plus log A by 5 by 5 by 4A. 5 cancel. A cancel. So pKa plus log 1 by 4. I already told you log 1 by 4 means log 1 minus log 4. Log A by B, log A minus log B. So pKa plus log 1 value is 0. So minus log 4. Minus log 4. This is the first one. At A by 5 stages. First stage. Second one, HCOOH plus NaOH gives rise to HCONA plus H2O. Okay, A 4 by 5 stage completed means 4A by 5, 0, 0. So how much acid left? A minus 4A by 5. So this is 4A by 5. Okay, then pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt 4A by 5. What is this one value? 5A minus 4A means 1 by A by 5. So pKa plus log 4A by 5 into 5 by A. Cancel. Cancel. pKa plus log 4. Okay, now this is first pH, this is second pH. First pH, second pH. Then what would be the difference in pH? What would be the difference between these two? This is the first one pH1, this is second one pH2. Then what is the difference between these two? This is first one, this is second one. So difference means pH2 minus pH1. We want this different value. So pH2, pKa plus log 4 minus pH1, first one pKa minus log 4. Okay, pKa plus log 4 minus pKa, minus into minus plus log 4 plus pKa minus pKa cancel. Log 4. So total 2 log 4. This is the pH difference between the two stages. Okay, Nana? Right, completed. In this video, I completed up to 124 problems because already 32 minutes means it takes a lot of GB from that. So, second video completed. I will explain the remaining doubted problems in next video. Thank you very much.